our little...
You gonna help? Finlay, you gonna help Sophie play the piano? Yeah, it's a ball. You gonna help Sophie play the piano, Finn? Nope.
Wow, oh yeah.
Sophie's playing scales.
Good job, Zoe.
When she plays a little key at a time, it sounds so pretty.
Yes, it does.
Joe was up here the other day. He said he was doing piano lessons.
Yeah, he said that. But he lets her play. Shows her something and lets her play, I think.
I don't think he knows how to play the piano, so I don't know.
Yeah, I was up here. And Sophie was just kind of playing.
I think he plays a little bit by ear, like he hasn't ever really...
Sure, that's good. But showing one.
That would be an activity you could give her if you were looking for something.
I tried to find him, and I didn't find any teachers. I found general music classes,